Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am going to be rolling the dice to decide on a sticker book to use for a spread. So if you're new to this little series of videos, I basically just have a box full of sticker books that I haven't really used in a bit. Sometimes I haven't even used them at all. Just ones that I have forgotten, the forgotten stickers, the sticker books. And I challenged myself to just randomly use a book and make a spread. So I'm just gonna decorate a spread in this video and let the dice choose the sticker book. So I have 3 sections here. This is a Happy Planner sticker book storage little box, and it's sectioned off into 3, and each section has 6 books. So I'm gonna first roll and stop once I get 1, 2, or 3. So that'll let me know the section, and then I'll roll to see which sticker book from that section I will be pulling. So let's see, is it 1, 2, or 3? Okay, that's 4, so I have to keep going. Okay, 1. So section 1, I will be pulling a book from here. So let's see the books that I have. So I have, Miss Maker, OG, Miss Maker. We have the Nordic Bright sticker book. That one's fun. We have this one's called Forest Flowers. Have I even used this book? Didn't I use this book already? I feel like maybe I need to switch this one. Didn't I use this one? No, I haven't used this one. I thought I did. Never mind. And then I have this one, Sketchy Florals. These are newer books, well, new-ish books. And then I don't know the name of this one. So that's, how many books is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So those are my choices here. I'm hoping for either Miss Maker or, Brighter Days. I skipped this one. Brighter Days. I kind of want 1, 2, or 3. Not 4, 5, or 6. Let's see what I get. 6. Okay. So I'll be using this one. Ooh, there's butterflies. I do like that. Okay, so that'll be the book that I will be using for this spread, and I decided I'm going to do a little mini spread. I haven't done a mini spread in a bit. Let me get the sheets out. This is an undated planner, so we could pull the sheets out. And then I plan on giving this spread to a patron, so it'll go to good use. Somebody will get good use out of it. Now, this book, I don't know the name of this book, but it came out last year. Oh, it's got mushrooms. Oh, it's got butterflies. I do like to see that. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, this is actually a cute book. We have little monthly stickers, some washi stickers. This is actually for a horizontal planner, I think. Is it? No, am I wrong? I don't know. Or is it for... I don't know. I'm not sure the layout. But I'm going to make it work for a mini dashboard. We'll see. But it's got cute stickers. So I have these. These won't fit over here, but I think I could fit it over here. I have checklists. What other boxes? These are little strips. I have the monthly boxes. They sure do put a lot of these monthly boxes. I don't know why they just don't put regular boxes. I use regular boxes on my monthly. I don't need special monthly shaped boxes. They love to put those in. Ooh, these I could fit in here. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the monthly boxes. Okay, this actually is good here. Take note. We'll do one there, and I like that they're different ways. Like this one is this way. We'll put this one here. Little box for there, and then it's a lot of decorative stuff. And then I have these boxes. All right, I'm trying to figure out this side section. So I guess I want to do this color scheme with maybe, with this color, because I like those mushrooms. I don't want to use the foiled ones. Okay, we'll go with this color scheme. So I'll use this one, which I kind of want to put it over here. No. I want to put it over here. Let's do it here. I don't have my normal stickers that I usually like to use in these on this side. So I'm just trying something different. But there's not a lot of box stickers. Okay, I have these. I could use these over here. Ooh, these are cool. Yeah, there's a lot of decorative stickers, which is good to see. I need something to cover up that little notch. Not the right color. Okay, don't have much to work with, but maybe I could do one of these. So random, but okay. We'll put that. Just layer this here. Trying to cover that. Looking good. Or looking ahead. Does it say looking ahead? I forgot what it said. Okay, that's going to be my box situation here. I have these little stickers. I'll do the maroon color ones over here. I like the little butterflies. Oh, the little flower. Cute. Okay. Let's get some decorative elements, because I think that's going to be the fun part for this spread. So, I actually don't mind these. Maybe mixing some of these. Let's get a mushroom. I like the mushrooms. We'll just put a mushroom here. I think this needs to go over. Okay, that looks better. Definitely adding butterflies for sure. I might have to cut some of these smaller ones out because they're attached to the sticker. So I'm gonna cut them out. Thankfully it's clear, so it's easy. So I got a little butterfly here. Do a little trail pen. Okay, we'll do a little trail here. And then I'll do a butterfly over here. A little trail. Love a little trail, flying trail. Okay, now let's get some, ooh, these are pretty. Oh, I have little different colored butterflies. Oh, I didn't realize that. Okay, didn't even notice. Let's do a leaf over here. Some of these little pieces. Okay, I kind of want something else. Oh, I know. The foily piece. I'm gonna try to incorporate this. I'm not like a huge fan of foil, but I think this might be a cute touch here. And then I can do another one over here. Okay, looks good. I don't know if you can tell. Oh yeah, you can tell, right? Pretty. Okay. I wish, again, this book had more box shapes, but I'm just working out of this book. This is my challenge that I give myself. So, just gotta work with it. Okay, I have more of these, like little flower leaf pieces I'll just stick one here. Want something here. So all right, we're going with that. Adorable. I think it looks cute. Okay, let's stick today the plan. I might do one of these, maybe the plan for over here. It's different. And do it today over here. I don't have, like I said, I don't have like boxes, but a lot of boxes, but I'm gonna go with that there. I do have these. Oh, I have these. Okay, I'm gonna try to incorporate some of these in to the spread. I'll have this color. Just gonna stick this. No. Nope, nope, nope. Maybe this over here. And I can do a maroon one over here. Here or here. Maybe here. But not crooked. Oh, everything's crooked. Okay, I'm not gonna adjust it anymore. I think that's fine. This side looks cute. I feel like I need pink though over here. Now that I incorporated that color in. Like, I don't know. I have checklists, but do I want to put checklists? No. Quotes. Little flower. Just to get some of that pink on the spread. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go with that. All right, I need something to, I need something to cover this up or something. We need something there. Maybe another butterfly, since I love the butterflies. Maybe a different colored butterfly, like one of the green ones. Let's see, I'm gonna take this one and just cut these off. Cover this up with white out. Not my favorite, but needs to be done. Put a little butterfly there. Am I happy with that? No, I want it coming the other way. Yeah, that's better. Because then I can make that line a little bit less noticeable, and I wanted the trail to come off of this way. So I'll do this one with a little twirl. Cute. And then I have this one. We'll just add this one here. Oop. Okay, That's what I'm going with. Let's see, is there anything else? How's this looking? It's cute. I think I'm almost done. I wanted to check out the washi. So for me, when I decorate the dashboard, mini, plastic, whatever size, I always like to make sure on this side it has like a sticker, a functional sticker in each one, whether that's like a header, a bullet point, a box, something like that. So I've checked that box. I have something in each one, and something different. Like I always make sure it's not like this box all on this side. I try to make sure they're scattered a little bit. They're not right next to each other. I have my things that I like to make sure that they are doing on this side. And then over here, I do like this checklist. I try not to cover it up too much. I feel like, you know, keeping a good amount of checklist there. I always put like some kind of layered box over here. Usually it's more of a vertical box layered with another box, but I didn't have vertical. I guess I could have twisted this around a little bit, but I actually like this horizontal layering here. Obviously this is a little bit more, I can do a little bit more decoration over here. There's still space to write here if I wanted to do notes. Obviously I'm not using this too. This is for whatever patron I end up sending this to, but they'll have room to write in. I feel these little, like, it always amazes me how many stickers I can stick onto these little tiny mini dashboard pages. So I think it looks pretty good though. Yeah, so I do have these. I wanted to see, oh, it's kind of thick. Never mind, it's really thick. No, too thick. Sometimes they just, I don't know. Let's see. What if I do, no. I feel like I don't want to take up too much room. I think I'm going to stop here. I think this is a good amount of stickers on this spread for room for plans. It's got a cute theme. I love the little mushrooms and the butterflies, of course. Love a good butterfly kind of spread. I like the color scheme too. It's different. But yeah, cute spread. I wish I knew what the book was called. Sorry, I had sticky notes on here because this was a run where the manufacturer, I guess, forgot to put them on the top. I don't know. But none of the stickers from this release had names on it, which is why I had little sticky notes, but the sticky note must have fallen off. So sorry about that, but it's a cute book. It's from the Happy Planner. It came out last year, so hopefully it's still on the site. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video, this roll the dice spread. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.